In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit sales form styles in QuickBooks Online. If you want your invoices, estimates, or sales receipts to look professional and on brand, this is the place to do it. I'll walk you through where to find your form styles, how to adjust the look and the information they show, and how to save your changes with confidence. Start by heading to the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen and clicking the gear icon to open your settings. This is where QuickBooks keeps all the behind-the-scenes options that control how your account behaves and how your documents appear. From there, select Custom Form Styles. This page lists every form style you've created so far. Think of it as your library of designs for invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. If you're seeing multiple entries, that's normal. Many businesses keep a few variations for different purposes, like a clean invoice for everyday customers and a more detailed one for larger projects. On any style you want to change, look for the Edit button and click Edit. This opens the customization window. You can now start refining the design and overall look. Adjust the layout, pick colors that match your brand, fine-tune fonts for readability, and make choices about spacing and alignment so your form feels balanced. If there's a preview pane, use it as your guide while you tweak settings. And aim for a clear hierarchy. Your business details prominent at the top, totals easy to spot, and important notes easy to read. Small design choices, like a high contrast accent color for totals, can make a big difference. You can also customize the content, the actual information that appears on the form. Decide which fields to include, such as invoice number, customer address, terms, purchase order, shipping details, or due date. Turn on the fields your customers need to see, and turn off the ones that add clutter. If you rely on specific references, like a project name or internal job code, make sure a suitable field is enabled so you don't have to manually type it every time. Keep compliance in mind too. Include tax details and business identifiers when required, and use the message or footer areas for payment instructions, warranty notes, or friendly reminders. After making all the necessary changes, click Done at the bottom right to save. You'll return to your list of form styles, and your updates will be ready the next time you create or send a sales form. And that's all. Simple, clear, and polished.